everyone, welcome. My name is Stacey. Today we are working in my living room and we are going to be decorating on my big white Christmas tree. So I am going to be using lots of silvers, blues, pinks, and some snowflakes, some white pompous grass as my picks this year. I want a very dreamy, white, fluffy look to the tree. And that'll give you a hint for following videos coming up. We're going to be using a lot of white, so it's going to be more of a dreamy Winter Wonderland look for this year for Christmas. So stay tuned for future videos, and I want to thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching.
So this is our Christmas tree, 100% empty. I just wanted to give you a quick shot of the tree by itself, and I'm going to start putting my silver ribbon in. I do this every year, and I love doing the ribbon kind of with like a scrolly look to it. I kind of traditional that way, I guess, but I like it this way. And it's not a ribbon that really shows up much. I put it on there, it kind of gives the tree a little bit more sparkle, to be honest, more than anything, because the decorations I'm going to be putting on, as you'll see, will go nicely with this ribbon. I just take my time every year, and I actually really enjoy putting the ribbon on. I think that's actually my favorite part of decorating the tree, is actually placing the ribbon first. And I just take my time doing that, and here you're going to see it all finished. It's hard to see, but you can make it out a little bit with the sparkle. And I always end up starting my Christmas trees adding my biggest ornaments in first and kind of tucking them deeper inside the tree. You're going to see me using with this tree a lot of blues and silvers, some clear ornaments too for the sparkle factor. And I even place the bigger ornaments all the way through, even from the bottom all the way up to the top. Even if they're bigger, it doesn't really matter to me. I just kind of look for holes and kind of fill them in as even as possible. And I love this color pink on this tree. I always do add in a few little ornaments at the top, and you're going to see me placing just ones here and there as I'm getting closer to finishing the tree. I'm just kind of standing back and seeing what needs to be filled in exactly. This tree, I love this Christmas tree. I love the fact that it's the white tree, and I love the colors that I have chosen for this tree. They always, I don't know, it's bright and it's cheerful, and I don't know, our family just enjoys this tree so much. This is our main Christmas tree that we have in our house. This is the one we put our gifts under. This is the one that gets the use during Christmas. I decided this year that I'm going to use pompous grass. I'm just tearing them off, as you see here, and I'm going to place them in any open areas, any holes that I see in the tree. I decided to do this last year, and I only did a few pieces because I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out, but I loved it so much that this year I decided to go forward and put a whole bunch more in the tree. So I ordered more from Amazon. Some I put 2 in the holes that I noticed if they were a little bit bigger holes, I put 2 in there, and then most of them I put 1 though, because they are quite feathery. But it just gives it a beautiful look. If you ever get a chance to try this, I say go ahead and try it, because it gives it such a beautiful finish look to it, and I'm hoping it translates on camera after when you see the finished look. In person, oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. It makes the tree wider, but it makes it look fluffy. And all I can tell you, it just makes it look fluffy, and it's definitely worth trying if you ever get a chance to try doing it, especially if you have a white tree. I mean, I'm sure you could do it if you have a pink tree and get the pink pompous grass too, and whatever colors they have out there. But I mean, if you ever get a chance to try it, do it. You're gonna have to let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it, and if you do like adding things like that to your tree. If you're interested, all the product links will be listed below from the Christmas series videos. So I'm just showing you the tree's pretty much done here, so I'm going to be able to show you now what it looks like, fully complete. And I put some gifts under there. They're not gifts that are for anybody, they're just, I wrap those boxes, they're empty boxes, and I just kind of keep them from year to year and take them out and place them under the tree because I do not like the look of an empty tree. And I will gradually put the kids' presents and everything under there when it's time, closer to the Christmas. I'm hoping you can see the feathery look of the pompous grass because it's showing up to me right now, and my gosh, I love it. I just put a big bow on the top this year for the first time. Last year I had a star, and I changed it up this year, put a big bow, and I'm actually loving that big bow on the top with the silver. And that was also from Amazon if you're interested. Well, that's it for today's video, and I just want to say Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Toodaloo.